Hi folks, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today I want to show you this 2020 Apex 185BH. Now Apex is really dominating the ultralight market. It's all aluminum framed fiberglass with your half cap. It's also going to have Azdel composite panels. Now Azdel is going to be lighter than wood and actually a better insulator and less chance of delamination. So magnets on all of your baggage doors, pass-through storage, solar prep on the side. Also going to have a power awning with LED lights and outside speakers. Now this is the Nano, so it's 7.5 feet wide compared to some of the wider 8 foot. Your dry weight is 3,027 pounds. So coming inside, you're going to notice you have your bed over here with a window, lots of light coming in, storage up above, booth dinette that'll actually turn into a bed and then storage above that, Jensen Bluetooth and radio right up here, double sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, and then a full-size Dometic fridge and freezer, and that's unique in a trailer of this size. 2 bunks, forced air over here. And then as you come inside, you'll see you have your bathroom, nice shower, and more storage as well. So again, if you have any questions on this Apex 185BH, call Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223 and have a great day. Thanks.